Hello, and welcome back, guys, to a new video from the series Free Websites. So, today I will give you some free websites to build your CV. Again, it's for free. Let's see. The first website called cvmaker.com. This website is super amazing, super easy and quick to build your CV with. As you can see here, it's so good, it's organized, it's so easy. Trust me, guys, I love this website. Also, you can find lots of people who talks about it, and you can find templates here that you can use. For example, a Harvard one, Otago one, Cambridge style of the CV, and you can choose it and then build your resume with. So it is so good, it is super easy, and it is free. Second website is Great Sample Resume or Résumé. It is an amazing also builder, and that makes your life easier, as they wrote here. So you can print and download a PDF version of your resume. You can send it, land the job from the website, even create the resume for free. This is the thing that we want. So you can from here again choose the resume or the style that you want to follow, and then just click on build your resume. By the way, this is a website that you can really build a professional resume, and it is just amazing and so easy, super easy. So I recommend this website too. The third one is Visual CV, and it is one of my favorite websites that builds a CV, because you can sign up with your LinkedIn and every single thing will be just made. Right? See? So it is amazing. Again, you can come here. The second thing is there is an AI resume builder, so it makes your life easier. Yeah, and also you can choose from a template from here or samples from here. Also, you can add, as I told you, the LinkedIn resume builder. So it is a very good website. Also, you can find here some resources. For example, if you want to know how is the international CV should be like, or should be done, or a cover letter, etc. etc. So it is a very good website. Also, there is a pro service, but of course it's paid. But yeah, we are just focusing on the free thingies. Right, let's see the next one. Also, we have ResumeMonk. It is a good website that you can choose from here a template. Also, it's free, or you can start with a free trial. You can, I think, I remember that you can just download 2 or 3 versions, that's it. But if you want to do more, you should pay. So yeah, at least we have a free version at the first trial, let's say. So yes, this is another website, but I don't like it that much. I don't know, I didn't like it, but yeah, it's free, so you can just build your CV with. The last website with us today is resume.io. It is very known, and I think that most of you knows it. It's amazing, super good, and you can create simple, professional, creative, or even a modern resume. And there is, let's say, special CVs for nurses, or if you are a student, or for an internship, if you're a teacher, accountant, etc., etc. You can just click in here, all the examples, and you can find a lot of things. But the best website for me for creating a free resume is Canva. As you can see here, it is full of CVs samples, so it's amazing, so good, so easy, and guys, it's freely free. It's guaranteed. So I love Canva, not just for CV making, but for everything, every single thing. Trust me, I'm doing everything with Canva. So just go to Canva, guys. All right, so we came to the end of this video. Again, I just wanted to tell you to go to darikdari.com and get free coding projects for JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, blah 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 blah. So you can find a lot and a lot of coding projects with source code, guys, and also some AI tools, free books to learn JavaScript or Python, and also practices for Python, C++, JavaScript, and PHP. All right, you guys, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video. Don't. Okay then, see you. Bye-bye.